Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Kaf, and today I would like to say about the Iran and Israel conflict, why they are fighting to each other. I will give you a short information. They are fighting to each other and they are attacking to each other with the missiles and with the cyber attacks, because Iran is a Muslim country, Islamic country, and Israel is a Jewish country, and Iran does not accept Israel as a country because Israel has taken a land from Philistines, and Iran is still saying this land is Philistine's land. That's why they are fighting to each other, and Israel don't want Iran build nuclear weapons, because if Iran will be successful, Iran will use against Israel. So that's why they are fighting to each other, and that is a big matter to in this war.